What's good, Moguls fam? And I am back with another banger. So ngibuyile back at ibanger Moguls fam. So into yokuqala engizoyenza ukuthi nginiphendule kulo mbuzo ukuthi uyi-trader kanjani FX eSouth Africa. So kunama-point form-ke akhona okumele uwalandele. Awu-4 nje amaningi ngaleyo ndlela. So into yokuqala oyidingayo udinga i-smartphone and I would advise ukuthi kube at least i-Android because i-aphula li-right but i-aphula hayi mina ngilibona li-complicated but ke kudepend ukuthi nawe umuntu onjani. So that's number 1. Number 2, kumele ube nama-apps. So because mina ngiphethe i-smartphone i-Android, into yokuqala ukutype lapha ngingena lapha ku-Google Play uthi investing investing.com. So mina nginawo vele already yabo, so nginawo already usulo i-investing.com. Then okulandelayo ukuthi cabanga already MetaTrader. MetaTrader, okay, already la ukhona MetaTrader 4. So enye into engingafanele ukuthi nginazise yona Moguls fam ukuthi uMetaTrader 4 so far ngubona u-best between u-4 no-5 because u-5 ubuye ube slow yabo. Manje nje khona amanye ama-situations adinga ukuthi nje u-4 vele ube fast even market execution ufast uMeta 4 yabo. So uzothatha wona udownload wona, then after usuqedile lokho mase installile number 3 ukuthi uthole a registered broker. So ibaluleke kabi ke lento guys, registered broker balekile because kufanele i-broker oyithathayo ibe under FSCA, which is this njengoba nibona FSACA, meaning ukuthi nje it's by law registered ku-financial ton service ban kwala eSouth Africa, ngoba hey uzogileka mase bengasafuni ukuthi bakukhokhele. So ngiyenze yabalula-ke le ngazama ukuthi ngiwasearch nje ama-brokers a-right la eSouth Africa. So from my experience imaphi engiwabuka engcono and right whereby ungazama ukuthi ungancika kuwona. Okokuqala u-IG, hey, I've never heard much about them but ke now ungazicheckela yabo, ungazicheckela bane-minimum ya-£250. Hey, imali enkulu, le mali inkulu kakhulu, le mali ekwazi ukuthi ufake imali engaka uqala nje. Into ebalulekile kwi-broker, into okufanele uyi-check ukuthi i-minimum kumele kube u-10, minimum at least kube u-10 noma u-5 yabo. Emva kwaloko u-check-e ne-leverage yabo. I-leverage yabo at least ithi 1,000 and above yabo, 1,000 and above. Every trade nothing much of it yabo, angikaze ngizwe lutho ngawo including FXCM plus 500 ngangisaqala-ke inkosi yami, ngisase-varsity. So hayi kwangabi into engigxila kuyona. U-Tickmill ngake ngawurejista, hayi Tickmill wangishayela iy'kandali. So nje no, I wouldn't advise anyone to go there. Angikwazi-ke lo HFM, I'm not sure about it. No Trade Nation, no Cycle Bank, no Interactive Brokers, nalo angikwazi Forex.com. Oyanda hayi ngeke ngawubona nje but angikazwa lutho ngawo. No Admire Market, IC Markets, I've heard I've seen a lot of people using IC Market, so you can check it out. Capital.com, I no, I haven't heard anything about it. XM ngicela niphume nje kuwona, Ingalinge nize nishone khona. Pepperstone nawo right, ngake ngawusebenzisa. Ngokuthi nje inkampani yale angazi noma i-Australia. Yeah. FP Markets, I don't know. HY, no. Flow Bank, no. Vantage, Monetage Markets, no. Black Bull, no. ACY, no. ATACAP, UVT Markets, no. Easy Market, no. Legacy FX, no. So kulawa wonke khona engawurecommenda lawo IC markets. IC markets kuphela engawurecommenda nje. So those are the brokers that you definitely you would look at la South Africa. Then mase kuwukuthi ke uthi ngivule i-trading view. Mase ukuthi kwi-trading view zimbili indlela zoku-analyze i-market. So lezi ezimbili it's either uyenza ngendlela e-technical. So mebethi technical bachaza ukuthi ubuka e-chartini. Technical nje ubuka e-chartini, uyalidweba nje i-chart ubona bekumisela o-trend or resistance no support. Ezinye izinto lezo-ke enizobuye niyifunde as you go along with i-journey noma ukusi family. So uyalidweba nje ulibona lipendiwe nje ngale ndlela elipendwe ngakhona right now. So that is technical, meaning ukuthi nje wena u-based more ama-trades akho ekutheni u-check ukuthi okay ijikaphi or iyaphi, you understand. Then mase ukuthi fundamental, it has to do with economic influences. So let me try to check it out for you ukuthi iziphi izinto eziconsista kwi-fundamental. Let me try to Google it for you. Fundamental. As noma ngubhala wrong in fundamental Forex analysis. Yeah, so okay, so okay, ngizovele ngenze nje. This is what I will definitely use, which is this one. Let's see, this one. Yeah, this is what I will use. Fundamental, la basuke bekuchazela about ukuthi kusuke kwama-events asuke enzeka kwi-economic calendar. So njengoba uthola ukuthi une-calendar leli nje la eSouth Africa lijwayele ukukhishwa isolezo leli litshengisa ukuthi okay ngomhla 24 September Heritage Day, ngomhla ka 16 June Youth Day. So same thing applies to economic calendar. Isuke ikutshela ngama-events asuke enzeka kuyona eyenza ukuthi inyakaze. So guys, that's mostly about it with what ekade ngizama ukunazisa ukuthi uyi-trader kanjani FX eSouth Africa. So izona zinto ozidingayo lezi engizishilo. So if uyithandile le content, like, subscribe on this channel and make sure you share. Wenze sure ukuthi uyashare because there's more content coming up, guys. More content. Peace.